Hi, I'm IR. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm gonna create an execution group. My integration node, then my broker, then execution group. How should we do that? We just come to the IBM Windows search box and type IBM. They give you the console. I have a console for the version 12. I have a console for version 11. I want to use that one, so I want to run it as administrator and say yes. They give you this console where you could write a command to create your integration node. If you want to create the integration node, you say mqsicreate a broker. You just name them your broker. Let's say I wanna BR1. I wanna name it broker 1. Let's say broker 1 or integration 1. So one more and create it. Now you see, now we create one right here, broker 1. So if you want to delete it, you could delete it. Instead of create, you just say delete. That will be deleted. Now it's gone back. If you want to recreate it, you just again you give them this name. It would be recreated. But if you want to start it, it's a mqsistart. That will start your application. Right now it's down. You see it's a red color because this is a stop. Now if you want to start it, you just click, that would start. It would take some time. So it takes some time to start it. Just give them time. Now it started. It says successful. If you want to stop it, you could say instead of start, you say stop. Stop. Now they would stop back. Right now it's green. Now it's become red again. So those was the way to create, delete, and stop and start. Let's say delete that one. You want to delete it. I want to create a new one and want to link our queue manager. Just go to your search box, type mq. That would WebSphere MQ Explorer would be up here because I already give you the link to install and download it. So if you want to learn more about WebSphere MQ, I have a different videos. You could go on my YouTube channel and find about the MQ. I give them full details. So once you open it, it is like that. I have a lot of, see, this is the queue manager. This is my WebSphere MQ, and this is my queue manager. I have a 3 queue manager, 1, 2, 3. Once you open the option, they give you like all the object for this queue manager. I have a local queues. On that I have backup queue, remote queue, transmission queue. I have a center and receiver. I create this to send a message and receive the message. There's nothing in it right now. When you see current diff is 0, like nothing in, no message added. So we want to connect this queue manager to our execution group. So how should we integration? How should we link that? We give them the flag integration minus q. We need to give this name to it. That would be qmgr1. qmgr1. This is the name. So this way get link. Otherwise we're not able to send message from our application to the queue manager. Once you give a link, now you see successfully, now we are able to send a message from our queue manager to the from this from integration group, from this one to a queue manager. Let's start it. You could start it from here to start. Take some time. Now we start and close that one, and just left click. You could create an execution group this way as well. You just name it anything, execution group. I suggest Now we have it. Before I started, because let's start it, you will see this has no debug port number. I want to assign debug port number to this. Now I start. If you click, you see there's no debug port. How should we sign up debug port? So we come to a Windows and we come to program data, and we come to IBM, we come to MQSI, we come to component. We want to find our integration. That was this one, broker 1, and we go to server, call them server. We create them execution group. Now we go to a server. This is a YAML file. We go to this one. This is the file. So we just go all the way down to the option it says Java. You just go all the way down to, you see when it says Java debugger, this software is created based on a Java scripts. You just give them a port number and you save it and close that one, come back to your, and we need to stop and start it. Stop and restart it. Now start it back. Once it start, you just come and check. You see now we have port number. We launch that one. So first, what is debugger? Debugger we use for the testing reason. If you want to check your application step by step, we turn off our debugger. So we give them a breakpoint. So that way we could able to check our codes, our application, how it work. If something cause them error, we could see and fix it. So now the debugger is on. Let's send a simple message from right here to receiver. You could come to your center and say, you see put message, you could use that one. And also if you remember, I give you RFA util, you need to download that one. I give you the link and everything. You open that one, you could send it right here. Let's say right now I want to send it directly. Just say anything. I want to send let's say I want to send name, like on you don't need to, you could send like simply 1 2 3, or I just make it like name like this way on a XML format. Now I send it.